Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has an illuminated star in the grille, front and rear LED daytime running lights, AMG package with the AMG exterior and interior look, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, night package with black accents on the front, side, and the rear. Black MB-Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim. Panorama sunroof. E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, an LED logo which appears when you open the door. Warmth and comfort package with heated armrest, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 28,470 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.